The SAP certification game has changed. The positioning SAP Business AI Solutions exam is no longer about memorizing theory or answering simple multiple-choice questions. Instead, SAP places you in realistic consulting scenarios where an AI stakeholder challenges your decisions and evaluates how well you position SAP Business AI Solutions for real business needs. And this is where many candidates struggle, because knowing SAP terminology alone is not enough. You must think like a consultant, communicate clearly, and solve business problems under pressure. In this video, you'll experience realistic SAP role-play scenarios that closely mirror the actual performance-based exam. By the end, you'll understand how to approach these scenarios with confidence and perform like a real SAP Business AI consultant. Let's begin with your first scenario. Scenario 1. Manufacturing AI transformation. A manufacturing company is experiencing frequent machine downtime, delayed maintenance cycles, and rising operational costs. The CIO wants to explore SAP Business AI Solutions, but is concerned about implementation complexity and business value. The AI persona asks, how would you position SAP Business AI Solutions to solve these challenges? Your response should focus on business outcomes first, not technical jargon. A strong SAP consultant would explain that SAP Business AI can embed predictive intelligence directly into existing SAP workflows. For example, predictive maintenance, intelligent anomaly detection, automated service recommendations, AI-driven operational insights. Next, explain the business value: reduced downtime, lower maintenance costs, improved production efficiency, better decision-making. Then address implementation concerns. This is critical in the SAP performance-based exam. Many candidates jump straight into technical features and forget stakeholder concerns. You must explain that SAP Business AI integrates within SAP Business Suite, reducing disruption while accelerating adoption. Finally, reinforce responsible AI and governance. This demonstrates consultant-level maturity during SAP scenario-based questions. In the actual SAP exam tasks, the AI persona will continue questioning your recommendations. Your depth of understanding matters more than memorized definitions. Now, let's move to a customer-facing sales scenario. Scenario 2, Executive Objection Handling. A retail company executive says, AI sounds promising, but we're worried about ROI, security, and user adoption. This is where SAP pre-sales positioning skills become essential. A weak answer focuses only on features. A strong consultant aligns AI capabilities with measurable business outcomes. Start by identifying the executive's priorities: revenue growth, operational efficiency, risk reduction, employee productivity. Then position SAP Business AI accordingly. For example, AI-assisted forecasting, intelligent automation, personalized customer engagement, workflow optimization. Next, address trust and governance. Explain SAP's approach to responsible AI, enterprise-grade security, compliance alignment, and human oversight. Finally, simplify adoption concerns. Explain how embedded SAP AI reduces learning curves because users interact with AI directly inside familiar SAP environments. This consulting mindset is heavily tested in SAP exam simulation environments. If you want realistic SAP hands-on practice for the CBCB-AI exam, including AI role-play simulations, scenario-based questions, flashcards, and full SAP exam simulation mock tests, check out certshero.com. Their practice environment is designed specifically for the new SAP performance-based exam format. Scenario 3, SAP Business AI Solution. Mapping. A logistics company wants to modernize operations using AI but doesn't know which SAP AI capabilities fit their business model. The AI stakeholder asks, how would you identify and position the right SAP Business AI solutions? This tests solution mapping ability. First, identify business pain points. For logistics, common issues include delivery delays, inventory inefficiencies, demand forecasting problems, supply chain visibility gaps. Next, Connect those problems to SAP AI capabilities. For example, AI-powered demand forecasting, intelligent supply chain analytics, predictive inventory optimization, automated workflow recommendations. But here's the key. The SAP exam doesn't just test product knowledge. It tests whether you can communicate strategic business value. So instead of saying, "This feature uses machine learning," say, "This capability helps improve forecast accuracy and reduces operational waste." That is how real SAP consultants communicate during executive conversations. And that's exactly how you should respond during SAP scenario-based questions. The real SAP BCB AI exam evaluates more than technical memory. It measures communication, problem-solving, business alignment, consulting confidence, AI solution positioning. This is why SAP hands-on practice and realistic scenario training are now essential. Today, you experienced realistic SAP exam tasks designed around the new SAP AI role-play certification format. These are the same types of conversations and consulting decisions you'll face in the actual performance-based exam. And the best way to master them is through consistent practice and real exam simulations. If you want realistic AI role-play scenarios, mock exams, flashcards, and SAP scenario-based questions for the CBCB AI certification, visit certshero.com. Start training like a real SAP consultant, not just an exam candidate. And for more SAP AI certification breakdowns and consultant-level training, subscribe to IT Pro Mindset. See you in the next video.